Lexus South Pointe is offering this pre-owned 2016 Lexus GX 460 Executive Package in Starfire Pearl with black interior. It's a four-wheel drive, large-size SUV that's powered by a V8 4.6-liter engine that produces 306 horsepower with third-row capability and seating for 7. Features specific to this trim level include pre-collision system along with driver monitoring system, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, wide view front, rear and side monitor system, rear seat entertainment system, front console cool box, four-wheel crawl control and multi-terrain select, transmission cooler, and lastly, fuel tank protector plates. It has just under 118,000 kilometers. It has been serviced regularly at Lexus South Pointe. Here are two nice screenshots showing the service history, and when looking at the Carfax, it does show minor damage. All damages have been fixed and repaired. For more information or to set up a test drive, call us at 780-989-2222 or email sales@lexussp.com. Check the description field for more information about this vehicle and our dealership. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.